GM-LRS rockets continue to assert their dominance on the battlefield, excelling in terms of range, precision, and swift response capabilities. Their warheads consistently prove effective in neutralizing thousands of pieces of Russian equipment daily, making them a cost-effective choice for targeting less crucial objectives. This collective impact significantly influences the dynamics of the conflict, whether it involves disabling Russia's heaviest mortar systems, disrupting electronic warfare capabilities, or, as demonstrated in this scenario, eliminating an ammunition truck. These targeted strikes deplete Russia's ammunition reserves, limiting their capacity to unleash firepower on Ukrainian equipment. This underscores the enduring importance of precision in warfare, underscoring its pivotal role in shaping the outcomes of ongoing conflicts.